Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to share thread on Instagram story. So first, open your Instagram app. If you have more than one account in there, make sure you are on the correct account so that when you share the thread later on your story, it is on the correct account. So once you're good with that, you can go back and open your thread account. And then from here, let's go ahead and post a sample thread. Share here. Let me go ahead and tap post. Now, once that's posted, to share that thread on your Instagram story, all you have to do is tap on the share icon. That should be beside the repost icon, which is like an arrow. Tap on that, and then as you can see, there's an option that says add to story. Tap on it. It should open your Instagram app, and then as you can see here, this is the thread that we want to share and it's on our story. You can go ahead and add text, tag someone, even add some stickers, filters, and so on. Once you're ready, go ahead and tap your stories to share on your story. Give it a few seconds to upload, and once that's done, let me check the story, and there you go. And that's it. That's how you share a thread on Instagram story.
If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.